It's Hitch garage. Today we're going to install a vise in the garage using a wall-mounted trailer hitch. And then after we get that installed, I'm going to show you a little hack I have for some other projects using that trailer hitch vise mount idea. Stick around.
Alright, this is what we're going to be installing today. Links for it will be in the description. So we'll head up to the hardware store to get some fasteners. First we're going to need to get 4 half-inch lag bolts, 2 inches long. We will also need 4 half-inch washers. Alright, now I think we have everything.
First thing we have to do is mark our locations where we're going to drill our holes. Alright, we're going to start with a smaller pilot before we get to our 3/8 drill. A half-inch lag bolt. According to random sources online, I'm supposed to use a 3/8 pilot. Now that I have these started and pulling in, I should be able to use my impact driver to finish it up. Now that everything's secured, let's get our vise out and see how it fits. So I found a little trick that really helps out when I'm working on my bicycle with the hitch mount vise idea. I bought one of these off of Amazon. This was a wall mounted bracket. I can use this inside the vise bracket. So take a look.
There's one project done. You'll be seeing the vise and the bike holder in a future video.